Hey guys, I'm back and let's play Subway Surfers Vegas Queen. That was my little brother. You've probably seen him in a few of my videos. Let's start. This is gonna be epic. Epic? Let's just say epic like what? Okay, Izzy. Nothing. As you might know, my brother has two YouTube videos on my channel. One of them is where he pretends to be in the Indian soldier. Yeah, he pretends to be an Indian soldier. And another one is where he, what's that called? He dances on rock music. One stage. You dance for rock music, is it? No, I don't. Whatever. So, yeah. Ah! Okay. Aslan, please don't. Aslan? Yeah, done. That's the aquarium. Okay.
Aquarium.
Why are there like aquarium tunnels in the middle of the street? Do you see that on the right corner of our screen? There's like a place where you can see who has the highest score on the server. So currently, no, I died. Currently, this boy, Fresh, has the high score. I want to get the high score.
Jumbo dog. I call it a jumbo dog.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, I do.
How many points do I have? I have 27 points. Guys, I am good at math, but I don't want to do math right now because I've been studying for my math exam. That's tomorrow. So, please tell me what's the half of 27? Seriously. What are you saying?
You can take that train, and then you can take all the train and then do whatever you want.
Okay, this is actually pretty fun. Now, I watched this YouTube channel who like does Subway Surfers IRL. So, if you watch that YouTube channel, please tell me. Or if you are part of that YouTube channel, hi. Go after you watch this, watch some of my other videos, like and subscribe to my channel and comment on some of my other videos. No, why do I keep dying? No. Looks like to not restart the game, we're gonna have to watch this ad. If you might be wondering, yes, I am playing this ad. No, okay, it didn't glitch. I thought it would. What the
freak, man?
Okay. No. Guys, I hate this. Are we just gonna keep? No, easy. That's what happens if you press it. Oh, button. Me like button.
You don't like button.
Ow. My brother almost choked me.
How much money is there? Like and subscribe. There's much money.
He's talking about the coins. You probably figured he's talking about the coins. Why am I telling you he's talking about the coins? Okay, I don't understand anything I'm doing right now.
I just saw his face by smiling.
Guys, who is this character? I think it's Jake, but I'm not sure. Who I'm playing right now, I think he's Jake, but I'm not sure. Please tell me in the comments, do. I'm kinda new to Subway Surfers, so if you have any tricks or tips I could use, also tell me in the comment section. And I want to give a few shoutouts to YouTubers if you watch those YouTubers. Okay, guys. One sec, Aslan. Why are we supposed to do this? Okay, you can help me do this.
Okay,
Now you need to
shower.
press this. Shower her. You need to. Should I help? Okay, no, you can do it. Okay, that's enough. I'll do it. Oh, thank you.
Yes.
So in 3, 2, 1, yes! Tell me how you like my videos because I want full honest feedback. No. So guys, I think this is where we will. I hit a new high score. Nice, that's been my goal. So we end the video here.
My turn.
No, we do not end the video here. He wants to play. Okay. Now you will see how my brother plays. Jump. Side. No, you're not gonna go side. Down. Up. Okay. Up works also. You were supposed to go down, but up works. I really dig the music. Is this from like a real song or is it just, handmade music? We're gonna switch it off soon, okay? Did you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Jump! Sometimes I have to tell him what he's doing, so... Actually, this is my second trying out my video. So I'm trying to talk because I just watched my first video and I was silent most of the time. So... But it was not good. Smartphone hand clap finder. What is this? Okay, so you... What? Don't keep watching. No. So apparently this is an X-ray app. Is this a UV ray app? I don't know what this is. Flashlight call and flash alert. Okay, whatever that means. I'm just waiting for the cross.
Hey guys, it's me Azlan. So just ad came and I don't know why. Just why? Where the cross? Okay, there it is. Oh come on, why should I play this? Why should I play this? Okay, here you go. Check. Oh come on, I just bro. Oh come on, yay! Wow. I keep losing. Okay, I just have to make pizza. Why? Just why? Where should I keep, man? Where should I keep? Over there. Pizza game, pizza game, pizza game. I have to have खाना आ गया